smoking that solenoid. That's not good. Electrical fire action, we don't need that. Looks like disconnected the battery, but it's still going. Something's happening. Alright, cruising Chevy. Green and white machine. Look at that. Another green and white machine. New crowd. Santa Maria Customs. Chevy action. Oh, check out the rear end of the Whipple-mobile. Def Bounce Custom Stereo Action. This one bad $392 right there. Yikes. It's not messing around. Carbon fiber action. Hella broke. That's one sweet looking machine. Alright, how many miles you got on it now?
Ooh, still under 800.
Still under 800, the barn find.
Today, though.
Almost 800. 784 original miles. The Nova SS barn find. Whoops.
Yeah.
Man. Out there polishing the fenders, just like the Billy Joel says to do.
Shit,
if you can't drive it, polish the fenders.
The only time I get to work on it and clean it at all is when it's here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? 'Cause that's the only time it's out.
You got yourself a winner there. Check out this lowered Impala. Love the red and white.
Yeah, that's
Thing's a boat.
so sweet though.
Yeah. I haven't seen this one either. 435 BMW convertible. Yeah, good looking ride right there. Sweet machine. Got the hood open on the custom GMC. Work truck. Good looking engine on that baby. Messing around. I like that. Love the patina on this thing too. A little more detail on the 65 Chevy. Convertible action. Super sport. Got the etching all over, man. Nice. Done up nicely. Looking right. Love the paint job on this one as well. Sweet looking paint job. Spent some time on that. Good looking El Camino here. Restored nicely. 1964. Yikes. Looking good though. Old school. Cool. Camino action. Didn't want to miss out on the Mopar 3 carb Cuda. Love the red with the black racing stripes. It's one mean Cuda. Cool. Good looking ride. Mopar Matt. 1935. Look at that. Good looking ride. Nice paint job.
This young man here has an emergency.
Alright, old school VW Beetle. Avila Beach, VW Day. Good stuff. Buick Caballero. I've seen this one here before. Done a good job on it though. Nice. Almost missed this K5 Blazer. Nice rims and tires. Nice stance. Rock front action with this baby. I'm liking it. Blazer. This one Deluxe 1951 Chevy. You don't see that color too much. Good, even got the air conditioner on this. Nice hood ornament too. Cool. Alright, nice customization of the Chevy 3100. Battleship grade. Bed's all dialed in. Interior sweet. Kinda like that. Snuck in on me. One good looking ride. 340 Magnum again. Looking right. Roll it on in. On a foggy morning. Only the dedicated. Okay, donut derelicts. Rolling on in with the cruisers and the street racers. All right. Parking lot's perfect for donut action this morning. Only the brave. Good morning, adventure seekers and car lovers. Third or second, Orcutt Donut Derelicts. Awesome looking Shelby GT 500 Super Snake. Check out that Kenny Bell intake. Hi, caramba. This thing will get you where you need to go in a serious hurry. Nice looking ride. Another fast forward, 805, fast forwards even. Got the name on it. We got the Subaru BRZ street racing machine. Youngsters are out. El Camino action. Let's see who else we got showed up today here. I think I've seen this one. It's a good looking ride over here. Love that color. Nice. Blue with the racing white. Good looking rims and tires. My kind of ride. It's got the matching his and hers here. I like that. Good looking machines. Alright, Orcutt Donut Derelicts. Every Sunday morning, as long as it's not pouring rain, get yourself on down here, put the stuff together, bring what you got. If you want to see it, giveaway's free at 10 o'clock. Sign up. Right, looks like Ray's got another project going on here. Nida's got her 37 business coupe, built from the ground up, 350 stroker action. Another customized machine, little Mercedes. Throw a 427 in that beast. Yeah, I like that. Dual car 427 Mercedes action. Old school Ford. Bonnie and Clyde mobile. Liking that. Old school classic lines. What else we got over here? We got red coupe machine. Always looking clean. That nice looking Chevy truck. Love the patina. Good looking job on the bed too. Nice. Woody Club 1837 action. Chevy Santa Barbara Woody Club. Liking that. Keeps that thing spotless. Slam to the floor. This thing. Not messing around with this. Liking it. La Reina. The Guadalupe mobile. Long live fuel alters. The T-Bag. Right. Brave the convertible. That's right. Just put your hands over the windshield to warm up. You are in there. Alright, bring what you got, including an 85 mile an hour mini bike. The Danger Machine. Loud pipes save lives. That is one radical little mini bike, I'll tell you what. Little Camaro action. Liking that. Another Z28 69 Camaro. Love that orange one. Looks like the lowriders are cruising on in. Yeah, you just don't want that sound behind you. Little Dodge action. Got the rims and tires on this baby. Upright. Plus you got 1965 Chevy Impala. Looking nice. Love that engine. Aero Plumbing custom GMC work truck. One of my favorite Broncos. Man, this thing's nice. Bronco Sport. Dude, keeping it looking beautiful. Love the color combo. Winch, tires and wheels. Done upright. Looks like a rock front machine to me. Climb anything with that baby. Right, got the convertible Super Sport. Hey, he's even got the air conditioning on. That's right, looking good. Liking it. Some Maria. Viejitos. All right. Viejitos. The loyalty one, Central Coast Car Club. That thing is fancied up. Check out that steering wheel and the etching interior. Put some love into this machine. I like that paint job, that's for sure. Put it upright. Buick Regal action. Impala convertible with 327. Liking that too. The wheelie machine here. Get it going. That. Other one with the fancy paint job. The Executive Series. Cruise in style with this baby. I like that. Lincoln Town Car. Dream ones. 1973. What else we got going on over here? Of course, one of my favorites. The Mad Max. 4-wheel drive truck, the Soto body, whatever you can find in the shop, welded on. Dial this thing in. Custom machine. Oh, gotta like that snake. Check that thing out. Now that's some decorations right there. Haha, it's not messing around. May not want to ride in this machine. Not without protection. All right. Got the Chevelle, the donut getter! Not messing around. Out of my way, dude. Alright, they're still rolling in. 340 Magnum here, man. Look at that thing. Looking nice. Charger, old school Charger. Bar performance. I don't know, Chevy 3100. Love this blue. Because people are nuts. Love the bed of this truck. Liking that. Menace to society. The toxic machine. Gotham, very serious Corvette. Keep it under 100. What we got going on over here? Already showed you this one, but it's worth a second look. Right. Good looking Chevy 20 truck custom. Raspberry cream sickle. Built from the ground up. Hand painted. Gotta like that. So we got over here El Camino Red Owned. Thank you for your service. At POW, missing in action. Got the Supreme Cruising Machine. Alright. Cool looking fleet line. Nice. Like that. 1942. I like that. Dialed in. Well, if I look that good at 90. I don't think so. The Ricky Racing youngsters are out. Alright, sitting low. 392 SRT Whipple. I love the colors. Check out the seats on that thing. Custom stereo, custom interior. That is one sweet looking ride. Honda action. Hawk. Nice intake. Customize that thing, man. Looking good. Work that Honda. It's like the Ford Shelbys are out today. Roll cage. Super Snake action. Like it not. Visionless. GT500. Honda S2000. Street racing, high revving machine. Honda machine. Youngsters are out. Street racing Hondas. Nice looking hot rod paint job on this old panel, man. Don't see these around too often, that's for sure. Ford action. Trucks, Mustangs, 289. Red Fat Iron. That truck is awesome. Done a great job on that. Customized through and through. This interior, nice ghost flames. Red's done a good job on that. Right, Tesla Cybertruck with a black wrap, custom rims. Looks a lot different with that wrap. Looking good. Charge that baby up.